Hello folks, Christmas is approaching and holidays are coming. This is the month full of holidays, swags and celebrations. So I'm super excited to share some good news with you which will help you to level up your profile and also earn some cool swags this December. In this video, I will reveal 10 awesome programs running this December. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here comes the first website, 24 Pull Request. Now 24 Pull Request is an open source program running all throughout December, not all throughout December, running from December 1st to December 24th, which will help you to get started in open source. It's especially helpful for the new contributors who are beginners and are new to open source. They can start contributing in this program and develop up their profile by their open source journey and sharing about what they have learned by contributing and implementing their skills. They can do many things with this, and open source is something super awesome, and it can help you to get many opportunities in tech. So basically the main idea of a 24 pull request is that make 24 pull requests, as the name suggests, make 24 pull requests in 24 days, or within 24 days make 24 or contributions to an open source project on GitHub. Okay, contribution in open source project according to 24 pull request doesn't means only to make a pull request. You can also do other contributions such as they have mentioned here. You can also do other contributions like organizing event orders, supporting and mentoring new contributors, or writing blog posts about how to use a project or something. And you can do many other things, or suppose you have just opened an issue today, or pointed out some bug in an open source project. You can just also share that, or you have done some typo mistake, or have helped someone in getting started with a particular open source project. So you can also do that. The first step is that you have to come to this website and log in with GitHub, and then a dashboard will open up, and you will also get understand what to do and what you have not to do, and this will surely help you build a profile as a open source, or it helps you to improve your CV. And there's a good place to get started. And you can see there are some featured projects from Hanami, Cake Build, Exorcism. I have seen that many folks learn coding from Exorcism website, and you can see this number of there are so many contributors getting involved, and so many organizations getting involved, and also 5 maintainers merged pull request in 2022. Today is the 3rd day of December. If you feel like you are lacking behind and you are not, you can start right now and make 24 contributions before 24 December, and you are done. Hopefully you might get swags. I'm not sure about that. You can join their Gitter, something similar to Slack or Discord. You can join in their chat on Gitter by heading over to this link, and you can see just sign in and get started. So pretty cool. And if you want to be a maintainer, you can also do that just by submitting your project, like here, suggest a project, and that's all. So this was pretty much about 24 pull requests. So now let's head over to our second website called as Advent of Code. Advent of Code is a program running throughout December, where you can level up your programming skills and improve your logic building skills. There will be a list of puzzles here as written. There list of puzzles which you have to solve. Puzzles means programs, and obviously Advent of Code, you can see there's an Advent calendar. If I click here, open a new tab, you can see the Advent calendar. So this program is as I mentioned the date that it will run during the Advent, Christmas Eve, as it's Christmas is closer, and people use this website for their interview preparation, or university coursework and practice problems, and to challenge each other. For example, if you if you want to challenge your friend today to solve a particular program, then both of you can go for a competition among among a group of people, or between both of you, and then the person who will win have to give some treats to other folks. This might sound cool, and this is also interesting. So basically you can see here are some rules, and as I mentioned, you don't need a computer science background to participate, but you just need a little bit of a programming knowledge and some problem solving skills, and and not a fancy computer like Mac or something high level things. You can do in a decent laptop or a computer, or whatever you have. And I'd like to suggest you to follow the learn about it and learn about the FAQs and all other these things in order to follow their code of conduct. And all of these links will be shared in the description in the form of an article. And you can see there's a thing called leaderboard, and you have to log in first in order to get started. You can see there's a leaderboard. So here you can see some names. So this folks have ranked. This folk has ranked 1 by problem solving, and you can see there are many of them. 100 people are already there. You can join now. Okay, so this was all about the advent of code, and I've also seen some folks are already solving it. So let's head over to our next website. This is pretty cool and super awesome. This is GHW December by MLH. That is Global Hack Week December by the Major League Hacking team. And it's starting from tomorrow to December 11, and it's a week-long hackathon. But not like a hackathon, because I've seen many folks are getting scared with the name of the hackathon, like as they haven't participated before. But in this whole week-long hackathon, or I would say a week-long challenge, you will get to learn a lot of things. Every day there will be a list of sessions, and you will get to learn a bunch of things and solve challenges every day. Every day there will be new challenges, and things will be super fun. As you can see, they have guilds. So as a guild, you will be able to work collaborate with others, and get to know many folks in the community participating in this hackathon. And you can see before this Global Hack Week December, they had a Global Hack Week in it, Global Hack Week September, and Global Hack Week October, and I have participated in all of them, and also I'm participating in Global Hack Week December. So see you there. And let's check out the schedule first. You can see the schedule. These are all the stations which will be happen, or you can call them as workshops, which will be organized by the MLHs, and they will teach you all the respective things as mentioned here. But you need to join the Discord channel and also join a guild, so that you get updated on each and everything about GHW December. And there are challenges every day. You can see daily challenges, and this will be available to you after the Global Hack Week starts. That is after the opening ceremony itself, and in the opening ceremony you will be told each and everything about Global Hack Week December. So first step is that you have to register yourself and fill out the swag form. Registered, you can see clicked on register, and this is taking to me this page, and you have to log in and register for Global Hack Week December. And next step is you have to fill out this swag form if you want to get some cool swags. So for the swags part, after you have completed your registration, after you have completed all the registration challenges, you have earned yourself an MLH sticker, season mascot sticker, GHW hexagon code sticker, and a thank you postcard. And if you have if you are able to complete at least 3 challenges, and if you have registered and checked in for at least 3 live stations throughout this whole week, then you will be eligible to get a super secret set of bonus stickers, which is super awesome. And this needs to be pointed out. I will give feedback to the MLHs on this, because this has to be changed to December. No issues. Okay, and you can also check out the FAQ part, which is more important for folks who are new to MLH, or who are new to this GHW December, and just go and register and have fun. Okay, so next comes Try Hack Me, the advent of cyber. I hope some of you are interested in cybersecurity, hacking, ethical hacking, not those hackers. Don't be like those black hat hackers. I'm talking about ethical hacking. Folks who want to get started with cybersecurity in 24 days, they can also check out. They can feel free to check out this website. It's simple and easy. You can just go through this page, and obviously there are prizes, there are certificates, there are many things to learn, and also to get featured, and so many cool things. Firstly, you will learn about red teaming, cyber investigations, web exploitations, IoT hacking, and cyber defense throughout the 24 days of December. It has already started on 1st December, and it will end on 24th of December, and every day a new task is released between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. GMT. Don't think that you are lacking behind, because challenges are still there if you are starting now. And join for free by clicking on this button. It's completely free, and you can see this cool wallpapers free I've given. And at the end of advent, if you are able to complete every challenge, then you will be given a certificate, and some cool lucky participants will be eligible to win any one of the following to level up their learning skills on cybersecurity, who are fond of cybersecurity and want to deep dive into it. They are giving away these awesome prizes. So just you have to register for an account on TryHackMe and click here to join the room. You can automatically go here. This will lead to advent of cyber. That's asking me for login. You can see today is day 2, so they are showing me the day 2 video, and you must go through the introduction part and short notes and all the things. You can see day 1 challenge is still there, so you can still solve the day 1 challenge, and then you can go ahead to day 2. But so that's the thing, and make sure to go through this first before moving ahead, otherwise you will be unable to solve these things. So this is pretty awesome. So next, head over to our next Alchemy University. Many of you have heard about this. Web3 is booming nowadays, and Alchemy University is providing early access in order to help you to get started with your Web3 career. Through courses, it will help you to get started, and recently we have launched many courses like JavaScript fundamentals, Ethereum bootcamp, and many more cool stuffs. I already have the early access NFT, so I'm also learning from here, and you can apply for early access. This will take you to a form. Just fill this up and wait for some days to get your early access NFT, and then you can get started, and everything is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, and most importantly, join their Discord server, because they are running quizzes every week, 2 days a week. I guess it's a Tuesday and Thursday, hopefully, and winners of those quizzes are getting some cool swags from the Alchemy University. So this will help you a lot. And another alternative of Alchemy University is learnweb3.io. This will also help you to become a Web3 developer just from beginning. And it has recently launched a new beta feature called as Earn Web3. To sign in and you can see you can call it as a kind of a freelancing thing, or they have provided some bounties and there are some list of tasks. Folks who are able to solve it as much faster as they can and with correct accuracy, there will be judges and the winners will get some bounties and whatever mentioned. And these are the tracks or learning tracks of Learn Web3. You will folks who are new to Web3 will start from the freshman track, and then sophomore, junior and senior, and you are ready to be a senior Web3 developer. And if you are up to junior, then you are ready to be a junior web developer. One thing I would like to say is that there are many folks I have seen that they don't apply. They have learned some new skills, they know some front-end tech stacks, but they fear to apply for jobs. But I recommend don't do that. Just go ahead and apply. Get connected with your folks and give interviews. While giving interviews, you will get to learn and that where you are lacking behind. Then work on it and then again apply. This will help you to level up your strength and also your and also the concepts of the topics which where you were lacking behind. This will also increase your courage. So this was all about this. And next comes the one and only Hashnode blogging challenge by the We Make Devs team. We Make Devs team, it was a community classroom a few days back, and community classroom has been rebranded to We Make Devs currently, and many folks know about it that they have a Hashnode blogging challenge running every month, not only December, but this month they have some super cool things. So that's what I wanted to share about it. Participation is simple. You have to just go to Hashnode, sign up, and write a blog and publish on Hashnode based on the given themes with the hashtag #WeMakeDevs. Make sure you have this in your blog, and then you have to share your blogs on Twitter tagging We Make Devs and Hashnode. And there's some cool prizes for this month as the special prize. There are no grand prize, but this special prize is super awesome. You can get a Keychron keyboard, and this time they are partnering with GitHub, and the main topic for the special track is the growth with collaborations. Community and collaborations is both things are linked together, and growth is growth comes along this both two things, community and collaboration. Let me explain. If you're in a community, you will get to know new folks, and from there you will get to know what they know and what you know. You will talk about or share your tech stacks, and then you might think that this person knows better than me and this person knows a new language. Why not I should learn this language? And in this way you are leveling up, and then at a certain period of time you will enter your first hackathon with these people who are whom you know already from the community, and you will collaborate with them, make something cool, make some cool projects and submit in a hackathon, and also share about it in public and learn in public. And if you're stuck at any point of your life or at any point of your project, or you are stuck with a bug in your project, community is always there for you. Personally, why I like community is community is always there for you when no one is there for you. So this was about special track, and there are also other tracks. For track 1 is artificial intelligence. If you know a little bit about AI and some basic stuff, you can write about it. And then track 2 is networking, track 3 is DevOps, and track 4 is data structures, DSA. And these are some of the previous winners, and you just go and learn a new thing based on this tracks, and these are the tracks for this month only. You can submit your blogs for for this particular event up till 31st of December. This was all about it. And next comes a surprise this December. I'm starting my own monthly newsletter via review. And if you haven't subscribed, just do it. This is going to be a special thing because I'm thinking to feature some folks who have always been there supporting me and helping me in the community. Every month, one person will be featured on my newsletter, and the newsletter for this month will be released soon in your emails. Link will be given to you. Just go ahead and subscribe here, and you will surely get an email soon with the newsletter. I haven't written I haven't written any issue or any newsletter till now for this month, but we'll be doing by the end of this coming week. And this newsletter will be a list of useful resources and full of information and a little bit of fun and all other stuffs, and a list of events. I will try my best to make it useful for your whole month, so that you can make your months productive and get benefit from the newsletter. So last but not the least, there's an event called as GitHub Universe Watch Party and Introduction to Code Spaces. Code Spaces have been newly introduced to GitHub. Folks who have GitHub accounts might be knowing about this new feature. Some of them have already used, I guess. I have used already, and I will show one day about code spaces and what are code spaces and how you can use it. Briefly describing, code spaces are an inbuilt online web editor or an inbuilt online Visual Studio Code, where you can write code, modify code, and do as many things as you do in your VS Code locally after concluding an open source project. So basically, Code Spaces is now free for all students, and this is an event which will be held on 22 December 2022 on the platform Microsoft Teams. It's Tuesday and time is 6 p.m. IST. Make sure you note this. And the host is Jyotirmoy Roy. He's an Alpha Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and also he's my friend. He told me about this program, and most importantly, there are giveaways, super cool giveaways happening in this event. There will be giveaways for free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate 3 months and free LinkedIn Premium subscription 12 months at the end of the event, and surely certificates for everyone who will be attending the event. So make sure you fill up with this form and submit it. And I guess everyone wants this LinkedIn Premium subscription. Yeah, because it will help you to get a job. LinkedIn Premium subscription is required for everyone, right? Okay, so last but not the least, there are some things special for you guys. It's super secret, and it will be revealed soon within in 3 to 4 days in my next video. Hackathon is coming up on probably 16th of December, which I would suggest personally to participate and collaborate with folks. And if this is gonna be your first hackathon, then it will be super great. And if you need any kind of mentoring session or something like that, just you can head over to my portfolio website and just click on contact section and fill up this form. If you need any kind of mentorship session, just fill up this form, and if I'm available at that particular time, better is to schedule a call if you are applying for any mentorship session. And if I will be available at that particular time, then I will be surely joining you and helping you out with your queries. So that's it, and let's keep the excitement about the upcoming hackathon, which will be revealed in the next video. Something cool is cooking behind. Let's hope for the best. So this was all about this video. I hope you have liked it and enjoyed it. I hope you folks will be going through all of these websites and leveling up your skills, leveling up your portfolio and resume. And also taking some cool swags this December from these awesome cool websites and organizations. So that's it. Thank you. See you in the next one.